Why is crypto up today? October 20th, 2025. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, Ethereum. The total crypto trading volume in the past 24 hours has climbed to $160 billion, indicating renewed momentum across major digital assets. Crypto journalist, Amin Ayan. Crypto journalist, Amin Ayan. About author. Amin Ayan is a crypto journalist with over 4 years of experience in the industry. He has contributed to leading publications such as Cryptonews, Investing.com, 99 Bitcoins, and 24/7 Wall Street. He has author profile, share, copied, last updated 3 hours ago. The crypto market is up today, with the global cryptocurrency market capitalization increasing by 3% to reach $3.85 trillion, according to CoinMarketCap data. Meanwhile, the total crypto trading volume in the past 24 hours has climbed to $160 billion, indicating renewed momentum across major digital assets. TLDR. The global crypto market cap is up 3% to $3.85 trillion. 7 of the top 10 coins are in the green. BTC rose 0.4% to $110,796, while ETH gained 0.1% to $4,039. Analysts say Bitcoin's slow recovery is due to good old-fashioned sellers. Noon's CEO Ray Youssef says Ethereum is in a cool-down phase. Fear and greed index dropped to 30. Fear. US BTC ETFs saw $366.6 million outflows. US ETH ETFs posted $232.3 million outflows. Crypto winners and losers. At the time of writing, 7 of the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization have posted gains over the past 24 hours. Bitcoin, BTC, rose 0.4% to $110,796, extending its weekly gain to 3.5% and maintaining a market cap above $2.2 trillion. Ethereum, ETH followed closely, up 0.1% in the past day and 3.6% on the week, trading at $4,039. Binance Coin, BNB, posted one of the stronger moves, up 0.5% to $1,119, while Solana SOL gained 0.3% to $192.83, holding firm above the $190 mark. XRP climbed 0.3%, changing hands at $2.46, and Tron, TRX, was up 0.1% at $0.324, continuing its steady upward trend. On the downside, Dogecoin Doge slipped 0.1% to $0.2006, while Cardano ADA fell 0.5% to 67 cents, making it one of the few top assets in the red today. In the broader market, Bio Protocol, BIO, led the day's gainers with a 52.6% surge to $0.1224, followed by Beyond Lan, Binance Life, up 67%, and Bounce, Auction, up 58.7%. Meanwhile, Chainopera AI, COAI, was the day's biggest loser, dropping 49.5% to $5.29. Overall, sentiment remains cautiously bullish as Bitcoin holds above the $110,000 threshold, with most major altcoins stabilizing near weekly highs. Meanwhile, Bitcoin's sluggish recovery continues as long-term holders cash out after years of gains, according to on-chain data analyzed by market experts. Analyst James Check said the recent weakness isn't caused by manipulation but by good old-fashioned sellers, noting that this wave of profit-taking has become the main resistance keeping Bitcoin below key price levels. Ethereum faces short-term caution but long-term strength, says Noon's CEO. Ethereum remains range-bound as short-term uncertainty meets strong structural fundamentals, according to Ray Youssef, CEO of crypto platform Noons. Ethereum's price action continues to sit at a crossroads where technical uncertainty and fundamental strength collide, he said in a note shared with Cryptonews.com, reflecting investor hesitation after Q3's strong performance. Despite recent ETF outflows of over $310 million and a validator exit queue exceeding 2.3 million ETH worth $9 billion. Youssef noted that large holders remain confident. Ethereum's ecosystem remains fundamentally stronger than its price action currently suggests. He added, pointing to rising stablecoin activity, TVL growth, and institutional accumulation. Youssef said Ethereum is in a cool-down phase, digesting Q3 gains as traders prioritize capital preservation. He expects ETH to stay directionally neutral in the near term but sees upside potential, with a move toward $4,500 to $5,000 possible if risk sentiment improves and macro conditions remain stable. In a recent post on X, crypto analyst Ted Pillows said Ethereum is attempting to reclaim the key $4,100 support level, which could determine its short-term direction. A successful move above this zone may signal that the recent correction has bottomed out and set the stage for a potential rebound. However, failure to regain this level could reinforce bearish momentum and extend Ethereum's current downtrend. Levels and events to watch next. At the time of writing on Monday morning, Bitcoin trades at $110,903, up 2.04% over the past 24 hours. The leading cryptocurrency started the day with an intraday low near $108,000, before climbing to around $111,000. BTC is now consolidating near this level, showing signs of recovery after a volatile week. If bullish momentum continues, Bitcoin could target the $113,500 and $117,000 resistance zones, with a breakout above $120,000 potentially paving the way toward $125,000. On the downside, failing to hold current levels could see BTC retesting $108,000 and possibly dipping toward $105,000 if selling pressure returns. Meanwhile, Ethereum is trading at $4,047, gaining 1.61% in the same period. ETH briefly dipped below $3,900 before rebounding to the day's high near $4,080. The asset remains range-bound as traders weigh near-term direction amid mixed market sentiment. If ETH breaks above $4,100, it could rally toward $4,350 and $4,500. However, renewed weakness could push prices below $3,900, with $3,750 serving as the next major support level. The crypto market sentiment has fallen deeper into the fear zone, according to the CMC Crypto Fear and Greed Index, which currently sits at 30, down from 40 last week and 48 a month ago. The index shows growing caution among investors as market uncertainty lingers following recent price swings. The U.S. Bitcoin spot ETFs recorded heavy outflows on Friday, totaling $366.59 million, as investor sentiment cooled following recent price volatility. Despite the decline, cumulative inflows remain strong at $61.54 billion, according to data from Soso Value. BlackRock's IBIT led the outflows, shedding $268.61 million, followed by Fidelity's FBTC, which saw $67.37 million leave the fund. Grayscale's GBTC also reported $25.04 million in outflows. Smaller issuers such as Bitwise, ARK21 shares, and VanEck saw no notable inflows or outflows for the day. The total net assets of all spot Bitcoin ETFs now stand at $143.93 billion, representing about 6.75% of Bitcoin's total market capitalization. The U.S. Ethereum spot ETFs also saw $232.28 million in outflows during the day, marking another day of red across the sector, according to data from Soso Value. Despite the setback, the cumulative total net inflow remains steady at $14.6 billion. Outflows were led by BlackRock's ETHA, which recorded $146.06 million in withdrawals, followed by Fidelity's FETH with $30.61 million and Grayscale's ETHE with $26.13 million. Smaller funds like Bitwise ETHW and VanEck's ETHV also saw outflows of $20.59 million and $4.21 million, respectively. The total net assets across all ETH ETFs now stand at $25.98 billion, representing about 5.58% of Ethereum's total market capitalization. Quick FAQ. Why did crypto move in tandem with stocks today? The crypto market has increased over the past day in tandem with the stock market. By the closing time on Friday, the S&P 500 was up by 0.53%, the Nasdaq 100 increased by 0.65%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 0.52%. The stock market has seen increased volatility due to the trade uncertainty created by the U.S., particularly in regards to China. Is this rally sustainable? It's unlikely that the market will not see further drops before an actual rally. Investors and traders expect additional decreases prior to a bull run. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. XRP price prediction. Ripple's new $1 billion deal could put XRP at the center of Fortune 500 payments. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Cardano, Pepe by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. Bullish options spike signals massive altcoin rotation from BTC/ETH to XRP and SOL Live. Major online platforms face outages amid AWS disruption. Coinbase among those affected. Ethereum price prediction. Examining on-chain metrics after ETH posts solid 24H and 7D gains. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. 5x ETF filing could supercharge gains. Are we about to see $100 XRP? 3 days ago, by Alejandro Arich. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. On-chain accumulation hits 6-year low. What does the supply squeeze mean for BTC? 1 day ago, by Arslan Butt. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. Andrew Tate's deep crash forecast tests BTC traders after liquidity sweep. 2 days ago, by Arslan Butt. Best crypto to buy now in October 2025. Top crypto to invest in. October 1st, 2025. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 3 days ago. By Inesis Tavares. 14 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 6 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in October 2025. 2 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 2 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 1 hour ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 8 hours ago. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 3, 2025. By Ben Beto.